So let's start this activity. And since today is Sunday, we will have to check fundamentals for the week. Give me a second. Forex Factory. Okay. Yeah, so what's happening this week? This week. All right, so tomorrow being Monday, we have no USD news. As you can see, no USD news. On Tuesday, on Tuesday, we have PMI, okay? Flash manufacturing PMI and flash service PMI. And both news, we are expecting positive. That one is at 1:45. At 2 p.m., we are expecting new home sales. And that one, we are expecting positive. Richmond Manufacturing Index, we are expecting positive. On Wednesday, we have durable goods order. On Thursday, GDP and unemployment claims, and also 2 p.m. pending home sales. On Friday, core PCE price index at 12:30 and 2 o'clock consumer sentiment. So these are the fundamentals for this week, okay? So this week, possibly we should expect some kind of sales on gold according to fundamentals. All right, now let's go to the chart, and first of all, weekly time frame. So if you look at weekly time frame, wow. Now you can see that when you look at weekly, there is no resistance level for you to say, okay, this is resistance, so we are waiting for the market to hit the resistance for us to buy. There is nothing like that, all right? So what are we going to do? We can't do anything except just watching the market, okay? Yeah, so on weekly time frame, we have support right here at 23.41. That's our support zone. But for resistance, there is no resistance on weekly time frame. Take note of that. So we will quickly move to daily. Okay. And when we go to daily, now for daily, we are going to get some zones. Okay. We are going to get some zones for support and resistance. We have this one too. And we have this one too. And if you look at them, you can see that, oh, fuck me. Sylvia, come. So when you look at daily time frame, you can see the support and resistance zones, right? Yeah. So the market has broken the resistance already at 23.84. Okay. Now you can see that the 23.84 zone on daily has been broken. So a retest to that level for a continuation buy, according to daily. All right. And you can see that when you turn to line with markets, we have 2 dots at that level. All right. Yeah. So what we need to do is to wait for the market to test that breakout for a continuation buy. Okay. So now let's look at H4. If you look at H4 is actually some kind of a messy chart, especially at the resistance level. But you can also see clearly that the resistance has also been broken, H4, by this strong candle here. So if I'm to buy gold, I will wait for this zone and buy. Why don't I buy from where it is now? I cannot buy from there because if you look here, you can see that this level got broken, okay? Got broken. But the retest, when gold came for a retest, look at where it closed. So if you want to buy from where it is now, it's not going to work because there can be a spike here when the market opens before the push to the upside. Okay, so I will buy from these two zones, first zone here and second zone here. But looking at the market now, I doubt if the market can push back here before it can fly. Okay, that may not happen. But this zone is assured that the market may surely come here before the push to the upside. Okay, so that is what I see. Now, H1. If you look at H1, what is happening? Let me delete them here. Good. So if you look at H1, you can see that the market has even come testing the breakout, the H4 breakout. Okay, the market has come testing the H4 breakout. But when the market opens, there is a potential for it open bearish, come back, test the zone again, and then push up like this. Okay, so this week I am in for a buy until the news prove otherwise, based on what we are seeing on daily time frame. Okay, and on weekly time frame as well, you can see that that previous candle closed bullish, meaning there is more buys potentials. All right, so when the news releases and it comes out positive, gold may test. Let me show you something. So if the news come out positive, like it is saying, there is a potential for the market to come testing the weekly breakout at the 2330 level, okay, for another continuation push to the upside. That is when the market comes positive. If not, then it is all fly, 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 and fly, okay? So what we need to do is to exercise patience and watch the market present good opportunities so that we can go into the markets. And if you want to use trend line, this is a nice trend line, okay? So you can see first touch, second touch, third touch, like multiple touches on the H4 trend line. And that is one thing that pains me for not seeing that shit right here, and I was still looking for a sell. I was waiting for the market to come all the way to 2367 level for me to buy. I don't know what I was actually thinking, okay? Yesterday when I was doing the back testing, it was one thing that pained me very much for not seeing this, okay? But there is a saying, when you are under pressure, like trying to satisfy some people, sometimes you forget about your own self, okay? So it's one thing I learned last week, and I'll make sure that mistake will not repeat itself again. So when we go to 30 minutes, this is 30 minutes time frame, and as you can see, the market has actually come testing on the breakout and has given you a tweezer bottom, and you see it was still flying again. So according to 30 minutes, I am still expecting a kind of a double bottom formation, okay? A double bottom formation like this so that the market can push up higher, okay? So that is what I will be expecting. And by lending session tomorrow, we might get that opportunity, okay? So 2388 to 2384 zone, the market is likely to touch. If it comes back to the trend line again, I will still buy. When I get a buy confirmation, I will buy, okay? Yeah, so guys, this is all I see on gold. And what we need to do now is to wait for the market to present good opportunities to us so that we can actually milk the market. So if you have any question related to what we've discussed, you can open up, unmute yourself and ask, okay?
Good afternoon, boss.
Yes, sir.
Please, how do you do the back testing? Is there an app or some kind of software you use? Or you just go into trading view?
Back testing is trading view. You see, I have a replay here. Can you see my screen? You see replay?
Yeah.
Good. So if you have subscribed to TradingView Pro, this replay tool will be activated to you. So what you have to do, you just click on it and it will cut. You see this? Yeah. Then you see play to replay here. So you just click play and you see the candles. Hey, Sammy, why were you moving at that fast speed? Now we're near how on? Yeah. So just use, let's say 0.0, 0.3 or 0.5. Then you see the candles forming and closing, which will give you an idea or for you to see how the candles were being formed. Okay. Yeah. So that's how we use the TradingView Pro for backtesting. So let's say you draw a trend line. You saw a trend line for the second touch and you are waiting for a third touch. Now you see what happened when the market came back to the trend line. It rejected beautifully. So when you see this multiple times, it will tell you that anytime the market comes back to a trend line for the third touch, I have it has high potentials to go my way. So I will not joke with that. Okay. So that's how, but before you get this replay tool, you have to buy TradingView Pro, and 1 month is $14. Okay, you pay $14 for a month. So, bro, I hope I've answered your question.
Yes, boss. Thank you.
You're welcome. Guys, any question?
Bro.
Yes, sir.
Even with the back testing, if the person is using XNet, he can use XNet terminal to do back testing for free.
I promise you, no. It's TradingView, or we have TradeZella.
Check it. I've been using it.
Oh, okay. I have no idea. So if you can use it, then that's fine.
You check it. It has a limit.
Terminal.
No, it's an XNet terminal. It's a new terminal. It's a new option on its phone. Is that like trading
on your phone?
On their website? No, on their website. No. On the website.
Okay.
On the XNet website.
You guys can check it out. Okay. For me, I enjoy TradingView. So those of you who want free stuffs, you can go to XNet and check it out. Okay.
It's not flexible as compared to TradingView.
Okay.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, you will not get it.
If you are trading, if you are backtesting on 1 hour time frame now, the moment you change to different time frame, it will cut off. You will not get it. But TradingView, when you're on 1 hour time frame, maybe.
So right now I'm on 30 minutes. I want to change to even H4. You are still going to
get it. But the terminal, it will not be like that. You have to start again.
Okay. That is the difference between free and paid, bro.
Paid, yeah.
So
it's true.
So if you want to use the free, that one you have to follow the limitation.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. So any question again?
But PiP Hunter, I have a challenge. I was trying to register TradingView, but I don't know whether my Visa card wasn't correct. I tried possible best, it couldn't go through.
Really? Maybe your card.
Yeah.
What did they say?
It's like decline.
Oh, maybe you have no money on the account. In the account.
Oh, I follow you. I have small coins. I follow you. I have small coins.
Maybe it's from your card. Which bank?
Strategy.
Maybe it's the bank as well.
Which bank?
This bank. Bank. For example.
Because the banks we have Visa with Visa.
If you don't use Visa card or MasterCard, it's not going to work. If you want to use the local cards like Xauusd and those ones, it will not work. You have to use Visa card. Was it a Visa card or MasterCard?
Visa card.
Yeah, if it's Visa card, it's supposed to work once you have money in the account. So you can also contact them and find out that you are not able to use your Visa card to do purchase online. So they should check it out for you.
If it's Fidelity, then it may be from your balance. From your account balance.
The only way, bro, see, the best way to handle this is just go to them, or you can call if you have their customer service number that you are not able to use your Visa card for purchases online. They will handle it for you. They will tell you the reason why. Okay.
Okay.
That's the solution to your problem now. All right, so since there is no question on gold, let's try and see if there is another pair we can analyze. Then we end today's session. Which pair do you suggest? Which pair?
Euro USD.
Euro USD. Oh, the small boys like Euro USD. Sorry, bro. Don't mind me, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so Euro USD. Euro USD on weekly time frame. I am not doing it on monthly time frame because we have started the month already, and you guys know how I do my analysis. When it is beginning of a new month, I go to the monthly time frame. We all look at it together. At beginning of a new week, I go to the weekly time frame. That is why when I'm doing the outlook on Mondays to Fridays, I don't go to weekly time frame because I have given you the overall view on the weekly time frame on Sunday. Okay, so since today is Sunday, let's look at weekly time frame. And we're looking at weekly. I'm seeing something nice. Okay, I'm seeing something very nice. And you can see that there has been a breakout here. The question is, why is gold flying while these currencies are selling? Question for the gods. We will discuss that in another video. Okay, yeah, so you can see that we have a nice breakout on weekly time frame right here. So under normal circumstance, a retest, a continuation sell. Okay, yeah, that is what is happening. And you can also get okay, so this was a trend line breakout. Okay, trend line breakout, and you can see a nice retest. But why is it that this trend line got only 3 touches? Okay, yeah, on the 3rd or the 4th touch, it got broken. It's still valid. So it broke the trend line and has retested the trend line nicely. So we should wait for another a push to test this breakout level for a continuation sell. And as it is selling, the next level, it's right here. Then possibly to the next bottom right there. Okay, guys, can you mute yourself? Who is that? Mute yourself, okay? So H4, when you go to H4, this is what is happening. This laptop, the screen is too small. Can you imagine? Oh no, daily time frame first. That's why I'm confused. So when you go to daily time frame, you can see that daily time frame has also tested on the zone. Okay, and after testing the zone, we had a morning star, a nice morning star, and now it has tested that zone again. What zone am I talking about? Look here. You can see that we had rejection here, rejection and breakout. Okay, the market has come back testing that breakout level with a morning star, nice confirmation. So to me, Euro USD will buy all the way to 1.0775 level before a continuation push to the downside. All right, so if you are looking at Euro USD, that is what I see. So what about H4? Now, if you look at H4, you can see that H4 has also printed something nice. Okay, H4 has also printed something nice right here. And that is a push to the upside. And as you can see, it also broke this level. Okay, it broke it to the upside instead of it testing for a continuation push. Instead, it came to give you a bottom, another bottom right here. Okay, so what I will advise you to do is to wait for another candle to close above 1.06565. Okay, once you see H4 candle has closed above that level, and precisely you can allow it to close above here, this level here. Once you see that, just buy. Okay, you can buy and your stop loss will be just below the trend line here, and then you are going to catch something nice. Okay, and if you are buying, you can take your first profit with that. Oh, who is that? Can you mute yourself? I think it's Evans. Evans. Thank you. Yeah, so you can take your first profit right here, but if you want, you can just leave it because daily time frame has given you a nice bullish confirmation. So once you are buying, you are exiting at the weekly breakout level, then you look for buy or sell, okay? Yeah, and that is about some nice pips. Okay, we have 10 minutes for this session to end, which is, it's not even up to 100 pips. Can you imagine? So just like 100 pips movement, okay? From here to that point, 100 pips movement, then you look for a long sell to break this level, okay? So that is what I see on Euro USD. H1. So if you look at H1, oh shit, H1 is even in a mess. H1 is in a mess. What should I say? So guys, just focus on what is happening in H4, okay? Once you get a candle breaking above the H4 line I drew here, that is at 1.06653, then you look for a buy and your stop loss will be somewhere here. So you can buy from here and your stop loss will be here, okay? That is 30 pips. So you are risking 30 pips for 100 pips movement. Or 94, 95. It's not even up to 100, no matter. Okay, 100 pips. Yeah. So this will be the setup. Wait for this level to be broken. There is also something here that might be true. Exactly. Exactly. So, yeah, now you see that. So wait for the level, this trend line to break. Once the trend line is broken, you can still get a retest to the trend line and your entry will be formed from there, okay? And your stop loss will be below this trend line here. So this is a symmetric triangle, okay? So you have to wait for a breakout from the symmetric triangle. Then you make your entry and you can catch something nice, okay? So Euro USD guy, that is what I see. BTC. BTC, the live, bro. Okay, let me look at it. BTC. I don't even have it here. Okay, this is even better. BTC USD. Wonder. For BTC on weekly time frame, this is what is happening. BTC is not ready for any. BTC is not ready for any kind of sales, guys. It's not ready. Okay, because you can. Oh, who is that? John Arno. When you join, mute yourself. Thank you. Yeah. So if you look at BTC, you can see that now after it broke the all-time high, it has been consolidating, right? It has been ranging for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 solid weeks. For 6 weeks, it has been ranging here. Ranging. And it's not going anywhere. So we have to wait for a breakout from these zones. That is where we are going to see where BTC wants to go. Whether it's going to fly or it's going to drop. Time will tell. But until a breakout, BTC is going nowhere. Okay? BTC is going nowhere. So daily time frame. And if you look at daily, so daily broke. Daily actually broke that zone. Okay, daily time frame broke the zone, but you can see that it has still managed its way through the zone because weekly time frame candle has not closed yet. Okay, because of the weekly candle not closed, that's the reason why the daily candle is still managing its way through the zone. So you have to wait for the weekly breakout instead of daily, because if you are looking for daily, you may make a mistake. You'll be looking for a sell when the market is still not ready to sell anywhere. Okay, so when you want to sell, just be careful. Sylvia, who are these callers? Yeah, so you just have to be careful. If not, you are going to make a mistake. Okay, so wait for just as I'm busy. So wait for this level to be broken officially on weekly before you sell. And if you are not in the buys yet, I will advise you to wait for it to break above 73K. Okay, when it breaks above 73K, then you can buy and hold. Or if this candle still give you a daily bullish, okay, if this bullish daily candle close bullish, then you can still buy within the zone. Remember, within the zone. You are not buying outside the zone. Okay, so take note of that. H4, when you look at H4, what is happening? H4. Okay, so you can see that H4 has also broken a level right here. Okay, and now that is the retest candle. Okay, you can see it retesting. So if this candle closes, but there is no timing. There's no time. Oh, it has closed. What is happening here? There is no time on it. BTC doesn't close. So what's happening? Oh, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we hear you loud and clear.
Okay. I think it's a video that has gone off. So if this candle closes, you have to like look for a bullish candle, okay, which will close above here. Once you get a bullish candle, H4 bullish candle closing above 65,048, you can go on bullish, okay? You can buy BTC at least back to 70K. All right, so that is what I see. I have 3 minutes for this session to end. So you can see what is happening. So if a candle doesn't break above here and you want to buy, you'll be in a deep shit, even though there's a nice break and retest, okay? You can see a nice breakout and a retest, but still wait for this level to close. And so in this market, I always tell you guys, it is only patience that will give you some good money, okay? If you are not patient enough, you cannot get the money you, okay? Yeah, so exercise enough patience, and I'm sure you are going to enjoy something good, okay? So guys, that is all I see on BTC USD. Since the time is almost up, I cannot analyze any other pair again, GBP USD. I cannot because I have only 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm sorry about that. Maybe I will do the analysis and I will drop it in the or I will get another Zoom link and I post. Those of you who still want to join can join. Okay, yeah. So that is all. And if you want to join the Elite Club, just like I posted last week, I said, I'm not going to charge you anything. All you have to do, you join, okay, with $100 or more. Then I guide you. I'm going to tell you when to take all your profit, when to add more positions to make more profits, when to go in less, everything. By from Monday to Friday, then you send me 30% of your profits, and only one person did. So now, if you want to join, I will charge you $30. Then you join. Whatever profit you make, I don't care. Okay? And I'm not going to check, okay, you have $100 or you have $1,000. As soon as once you pay the $30, you can even join with your $10 if that is what you want. So if you still want to join from now till 10 p.m. today, you can join because when we start tomorrow, I'm not accepting anybody again. All right. So guys, thank you all for coming. And
No, come again.
What?
With a $30 issue, come again.
With the $30, once you pay the $30, I'm adding you to the Elite Club where I will guide you on where to open in more positions, where to go in small, when to take your profits, when to add more positions, when to stay away from the markets, okay, everything. So all you need to do is to follow the instructions and money will just be flowing in your bank account, your trading account. Okay,
for how many months?
That is what I do for a week, from Monday to Friday. Every Monday to Friday, if you want to be there, you pay $30. Unlike where I said you are going to give me 30% of your profits. People failed to do that. So now you pay $30 and have access to it. So the class will end now. If you want to message me, know more, you can just message me because the Zoom has ended right now. So thank you all guys for coming and have a nice day.
Thank you,
boss.
too.
You're welcome.